Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech World. Do you guys remember the golden age of Nokia? Back when that brand name was synonymous with absolute trust and durability. Well, after being off the radar for a few years, Nokia is gearing up for a grand comeback in 2026. So get ready, because the king is officially back. Today, we're diving into a device that is absolutely breaking the internet. The leaked specs on this thing are enough to make the current big-name flagship sweat. Yes, I'm talking about the beast, the Nokia Zeno Xtreme 5G. We are talking about a massive 250 megapixel camera, a battery close to 9000 mAh, and a price tag that you won't believe. So, if you're looking for your next powerhouse device, you need to watch this video to the end. Today, we're breaking down the full leaked specs, the price, and the launch date. Let's jump right in. Features of the Nokia Zeno Xtreme 5G. Design and display. First up, let's talk design and display. Guys, this design is a total showstopper, you won't be able to take your eyes off it. According to the leaks, we're looking at a stunning 6.85-inch LTPO OLED display. But it doesn't stop there. It packs a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and an insane 390Hz touch sampling rate. Whether you're streaming 4K content on Netflix or pushing rank in PUBG, the color accuracy and fluidity are going to be unmatched. And for security, it features an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor that unlocks the phone in the blink of an eye. Camera setup. Now, for the feature you probably clicked on this video for, the camera. Brace yourselves, because the Nokia Zeno Xtreme is rumored to pack a massive 250 megapixel penta camera setup. You heard that right, 250 megapixel. This isn't just a smartphone, it's basically a DSLR in your pocket. Whether you're taking moonshots or low-light party pics, the detailing is going to be crystal clear, you can zoom in without any pixelation. And for the selfie lovers out there, you get a huge 64 megapixel front camera to keep your Instagram game on point. Processor and performance. It's not just a pretty face, this thing has serious brains, too. Reports suggest this phone will be powered by the most powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. Plus, it's going to run on the very latest Android 16 right out of the box. Whether it's heavy multitasking, 4K video editing, or high-fidelity gaming, this phone isn't going to slow down. It is built strictly for heavy usage. Battery and charging. Now, you might be thinking, with specs like that, the battery must die instantly, right? Absolutely not. The Nokia Zeno Xtreme is expected to house a colossal 8900 mAh battery. Guys, that's not just a battery, that is a portable power bank. For a normal user, that's easily 2 to 3 days of battery life. And even when you finally hit zero, you get a 100-watt fast charger right in the box to get you back up and running in minutes. Price and launch date. Finally, the big question, how much is this going to hurt your wallet? With specs like these, you'd expect a $1,000 plus price tag. But leaks suggest Nokia is returning as a true flagship killer. We're looking at an estimated price between $700 and $800. When is it launching? The company hasn't dropped an official date yet, but tech experts predict we'll see this hit the US market by the end of 2026. So, what do you think? Is Nokia about to take over the market again? Let me know in the comments below.